Every year, summers are become hotter and hotter. We have seen what has gone, what is summer, and we are still experiencing it this year. Commercial cooling is not even now luxury anymore. It's an expensive, power-hungry necessity. Why only commercial? In every room we have HVAC now. HVAC system in building will have issues of operation, huge capital investment costs, maintaining it, and lot of failures. So the option is HaaS, HVAC as service, and that is growing and growing in a long way, and it is going to come in India. So everybody must have seen Netflix, Ola. It is on the same model. Huge capital investment, monthly OPEX based on your consumption. So you don't have to have huge capital investment. You have to only pay for the monthly usage, similar to what we do for Netflix and Olas. It's capex versus opex. So what is HaaS? HaaS is all about giving this HVAC service or providing experience by putting large plants. So if you look at traditional HVAC procurement, you will have to put a lot of money upfront in capital equipment. You have to maintain through in-house teams. Efficiency drops over the years because of the aging and not maintaining properly. Financial, obviously the risk is high because the technologies come up every now and then. But when it comes to HaaS or HVAC service, there is zero upfront investment. So you get free 100% managed by a provider. So you don't have to have your maintaining team. It is maintained through IoT or AI driven monitoring, and there's a zero risk. Pay if you consume. So it is relevant in India, and let us look at why it is. Cash flow can be better utilized rather than putting in this heavy equipments or capital equipments we can utilize for your business. It eliminates operational headaches because there are strong SLAs which are with the provider, and it reduces a lot of power consumption because if we integrate entire HVAC system in one place, right, the efficiency would be much higher. So if you look at real world case study for HaaS hospital, could be one major area where this can be used, right? And at multiple places it is used. India has a target of achieving net zero by 2070, and it can't be achieved the way we have been doing. In the HVAC industry is major contributor, right? And it's very important that we should go for such models where we reduce the capital cost, where we reduce the energy, we improve rather the energy efficiency of the systems, and that can help in achieving our net zero, right? You can download the app which is there in front of you. There are various courses available online such as this, and you can make use of those for your career journey. Thank you so much. Do follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Udemy, Class Plus, Tutorials Point, and many more. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.